The TL16 Brushless Drone with a 1080 pixel camera is perfect for capturing stunning aerial photos and videos, thanks to its 90-degree motorized adjustable lens. This drone is equipped with quiet brushless motors, ensuring a smooth and stable flight even in windy conditions, making it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts. With 3 customizable speed modes and the ability to perform 360-degree flips, this drone offers a dynamic flying experience for both beginners and seasoned users. Optical flow positioning and altitude hold provide precise hovering, while features like one-key takeoff and landing make it user-friendly for novices. The drone offers dual control options, allowing users to operate it via remote control or a smartphone app, adding flexibility and excitement to the flying experience. Toladrone provides excellent customer service and technical support, ensuring that users receive professional help and guidance whenever needed.